Oh, so it's rainy season already. Have you changed out your smooth tire? Have you? Don't you know that good tires help maintain better traction on wet roads, which reduces the risk of accidents? Also, make sure your wipers are working well so you can see clearly while driving. Avoid deep water. If you see a lot of water on the road, turn around. Don't drive through it. It can damage your engine. Turn on your headlights so that others can see you. Drive gently. Do not brake hard or turn suddenly. Keep an umbrella or torchlight in your car. Never use your phone while driving in the rain. It is very dangerous. Follow these tips and you'll be fine. Safe driving, everyone. Like and share if this helps. See you next time. See you. I see you.